This video is sponsored by Casetify.
What's up guys, Casetify are back with their biggest sale of the year, so let's check it out. Welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So Casetify hit me up and said, Michael, we have our biggest sale coming up. We have our Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales and we want to send you some stuff to check out. So let's check out what they sent me. As you know, if you have an ecosystem like I do, so I've got an iPhone, an iPad, a MacBook, etc, etc, etc. I like to have things that match, right? It kind of matches my OCD a little bit. So when Casetify said, we've got these prints which match all of your devices, I was pretty intrigued. So let's check it out. So first off, they've sent me across the phone case, which is this Topology map print. I have already reviewed this on the channel, so I'll leave you a link in the description down below to that video where I reviewed this case. This is the phone case with the Topology map print, which I think is pretty funky. They've sent me across a couple of Magsafe Stands as well with the same print, which is pretty cool. And then in these big boxes, we have so inside the box we've got these wee funky bags. And we have the matching iPad case for my 13-inch iPad Pro. And then in this box then we have the case for the 14-inch MacBook Pro as well with the same print. So let's get these on the devices and check these out. So there is the case in my natural titanium 16 Pro Max, which is very, very nice. Goes quite well with the black and white and then the grey phone. It's very, very nice. And then we have the iPad Pro case, which is very, very nice. This is a folio case with the transparent back, so it's very, very nice. So as you can see there's these two devices with these matching prints. So what do you guys think? I went for the matching print, but I mean with Casetify's sale you can mix and match from anything on their website, which is pretty cool. So if you buy one item you'll get 15% off. If you buy two items you'll get 25% off, and then if you buy three items you'll get 30% off, so that's a pretty good discount, so go check that out. And then lastly we'll just pop my MacBook Pro into its nice new funky case. So this is a hard plastic case. It's vented in the bottom and it has these shock absorbing corners, which, you know, I don't drop a lot of MacBooks, but it's nice to know that I can. You know what I mean? Accidents happen, and in my house they typically do. So bye Kylie. And we'll just clip that on like so. And there we go. So that's what it looks like on the inside then. So the MacBook inside is pretty normal, and then when you close it over we have this transparent case with the Topology print on it. So if I sort of tilt it down you can see the print on it there, but then when you look at it under light it's still transparent, which is pretty cool. You've got these shock absorbing corners then, and then on the bottom it's, like I say, it's got these feet, it's vented in the bottom for airflow and that kind of thing, and it's also transparent, so it doesn't really take away from the color of your MacBook, which is one of the things I do like about this. So all of these items are made from recycled phone cases as well, so it's good to see Casetify are recycling it. So yeah, what do you guys think of this? Now I will say I really do like the feel of this iPad case. This has like a leather texture to it. Like it's not leather obviously, but it does feel like a nice leather texture. And then on the back we have that leather part here as well. So this is a folio case, so it can open up and it can fold and you can put it at different angles and all that type of thing. It's microfiber lined on the inside, so it will protect that display. It can house your Apple Pencil, and it's got a magnetic flap as well, so it is nice. I do like that. I do like a folio case. Then if we go over to the accessories, we have these Magsafe Stands. So a lot of cases now, you can get a lot of cases with Magsafe Stands built in, but it's nice to have a stand that you can carry in your bag. For example, these two stands that come from Casetify, these are things that you can pop in your bag, but you can pop them out, stick them onto your phone, and then you can use them accordingly as stands, tripods, whatever, and they come in different shapes and sizes as well. So there's your smaller minimal version, which is handy enough, and it's got that matching pattern, which is nice. Then we have this bigger one here, which has the full MagSafe layout and the guidance magnet as well. So if you just pop that on, again, matching pattern, and then that can pop up, and you've got that little magnetic stand on the inside, so you can adjust your viewing angle, and it's good, you know, if you want to set that up, do a FaceTime call, watch a video, watch some content, you can set it up right, you can set it on its side, you know, good to have. And then you can just fold it down and it stays compact on the back of your phone, but you can just pop it off, stick it in your bag, job's a good one.
This thing also can carry your cards as well, which is really, really cool. Just slot your card in like so, and then that can just fold up, and there you go, you don't even know you've got your card, and then you can just open it up, slide your card out, and yeah, that's awesome. Really awesome.
So while I do like my stuff to all match, and as you can see here, I have quite a nice little setup. I've got the MacBook case, the iPad case, the phone, and the accessories. You don't have to be like me, and you can mix and match on Casetify's website. And if you go on to Casetify's website, you can see all of the different styles and patterns that you can mix and match for this sale. You're going to be spoiled for choice. Absolutely. So yeah, and then there's also the likes of the rope lanyard and the strap card here as well. The strap card goes inside your case, and then you can hook on the rope lanyards that match your patterns as well. It's all color coordinated, looks really good. Personally for me, I hook mine onto my bag so that when I'm traveling and I need instant access to my phone, I can just swing around, grab my phone and use away at it, and it's really, really handy to have. But you can use it for all sorts of things, so yeah. Go get one. So what do you think of this haul from the guys at Casetify? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you dig a series of patterns that match all of your devices, or do you like to mix it up and have everything different? Let me know in the comments down below. So don't miss out on Casetify's biggest sale of the year. You can use my link in the description down below, and that will get you your discounts off these items. As I mentioned, 15% discount if you buy one item. If you buy 2 items, you'll get 25% off, and then if you buy 3 items, you'll get 30% off. So don't miss out on the biggest sale of the year from Casetify. So guys, that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. If you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. Say hello, Kylie.
Hello, Kylie.